Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 17 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. And with those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day question. Our first question was which day is known as World Organ Donation Day? August 13, August 15, August 14, August 15. The correct answer here is August 13. Option A is correct here. World Organ Donation Day is observed on August 13. Okay, this day is celebrated to raise the awareness about the importance of organ donation and motivate people to donate organ after death. Okay, our second question was Hermal chilies and Moira bananas got GI tag geographical indication tag of which state? Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Goa. The correct answer here is Goa. Option D is correct here. Goa's traditional festive, the sweet dish khaje, spicy and hermal chilies with Moira bananas has obtained the GI tag. Okay, Goa is in news. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Chief Minister is Pramod Sawant and Satyapal Malik is the governor of Goa. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is which cricket legends recently announced his retirement on 15 August 2020? Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Suresh Raina, Rohit Sharma, option D both A and B. The correct answer here is option D both A and B. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the former Indian captain legend Mahendra Singh Dhoni and left-handed middle order batsman Suresh Raina announced their retirement on August 15, 2020. Okay, this is a very important news in exam perspective view also. Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Suresh Raina announced their retirement on August 15. Okay, a very astonished news for the Indian cricket. Next question. Which state become top in country in implementing Amrut scheme? Odisha, Bihar, Chandigarh, Telangana. The correct answer here is option A, Odisha. Odisha retained its top position in implementing of the Amrut scheme. Amrut stands for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. It is launched in 2015 by Modi government and Chandigarh is in second position and Telangana got the third position in implementing the Amrut scheme. Okay, Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is the brand ambassador of e-bike Go? Rohit Sharma, Harbhajan Singh, Kapil Dev, Hardik Pandya. The correct answer here is Harbhajan Singh. Option B is correct here. As per you see the image of Harbhajan Singh here. Harbhajan Singh now became the brand ambassador of e-bike Go. Okay. Question number 4. Which state government distributes free smartphone to class 12 students of government schools? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Uttarakhand. The correct answer here is option C, Punjab. Punjab government has rolled out the smartphone scheme in the state by distributing the free mobile to class 12 students of government school. Okay, and the name of the scheme is Punjab Smart Connect School Scheme. Punjab Smart Connect Scheme. Okay, Punjab is in news. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Chief Minister is Captain Amarendra Singh and VP Singh Badnoor is the governor of Punjab. Okay, next question. Question number 5. India is working to achieve zero road accident fatalities by which year? 2025, 2030, 2031, 2032. What is the answer here? Answer here is option B, 2030. India is working to achieve zero road accident fatalities by 2030. Okay. Who is the road transport and highway minister of our India? Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is the road transport and highway minister of our India. Also he take over the charge of MSME also. MSME. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. According to WHO and UNESCO, how many percentage of schools around the world lacked access to basic hand washing facilities? 25%, 30%, 43%, 50%. The correct answer here is 43%. Option C is correct here. The last data from the WHO and UNESCO joint monitoring program has revealed that 43% of schools around the world lack access to basic hand washing facilities. There is no basic hand washing facilities also in 43% of school all over the world. Okay, and about 1818 million children lack the basic hand washing facilities. Okay. Next question. Who has launched Swachh Bharat Mission SBM Academy in New Delhi? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Nirmala Sitharaman, Smriti Irani, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Option A is correct here. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the Union Jal Shakti Minister, has launched Swachh Bharat Mission SBM Academy in New Delhi. It is launched in New Delhi. Okay, and it is a part of, remember that it is a part of campaign Gandagi Mukt Bharat. It is a part of campaign Gandagi Mukt Bharat. Question may be framed. It is a part of Gandagi Mukt Bharat. Okay. Who has released Corona Kavita Kal, a collection of poems written by governors P.S. Sridharan Pillai? Biplab Kumar Dev, Joram Thanga, Nitish Kumar, none of these. The correct answer here is Joram Thanga. Option B is correct here. Mizoram Chief Minister Joram Thanga has released Corona Kavita Kal, a collection of poems written by Governor of P.S. Sridharan Pillai during the lockdown period. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which bank has introduced KCC review options on its digital agriculture solutions platform Yono Krishi? SBI, PNB, RBI, ICICI. The correct answer here is SBI, State Bank of India. Option A is correct here. State Bank of India has introduced KCC, Kisan Credit Card review options on digital agricultural solution problem Yono Krishi. Okay, and the headquarters of the SBI is situated in Mumbai. The headquarters is situated in Mumbai. Okay. Question number 10. Chetan Chauhan passed away. He was related to which field? Cricket, politics, journalism, both A and B. The correct answer here is option D, both A and B. Both the former Indian cricketer and Uttar Pradesh Cabinet Minister, Uttar Pradesh Cabinet Minister Chetan Chauhan recently passed away due to COVID-19. He recently passed away due to COVID-19, and you can see the image of Chetan Chauhan here. He related to both cricket and politics. Okay. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, which state become fast in conducting COVID test in the country? Our second question is, Kaushik Khona appointed as CEO of which company? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel. And if you like this session, please like it and share in your study related group. Thank you.